In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your YouTube subscribers on mobile. Okay, so I'm on the YouTube app and you can't actually do it from the app. So you need to go out of the app and then go to a web browser on your phone. In this case, I'm going to go to my Chrome browser and then you just want to go to youtube.com on your Chrome browser. But this will also open up the mobile version in the browser. What you want to do is tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right if you're on an Android device. And then you want to tap on desktop site right at the bottom. Make sure that's ticked on. And that will open up the desktop version of YouTube. Then what you can do is zoom in and you just want to tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then you can go to YouTube Studio. It's just like you would on the desktop. And over here, if I zoom in, you can see recent subscribers. And if I tap see all, you can go ahead and see all of your YouTube subscribers. And I don't have that many subscribers on this account, so it will be just the first page in my situation. But if you have more, you can go to the next page. And this will display all the subscribers that have their subscriber status public. So that is how you see your YouTube subscribers on mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.